Maayong hapon and welcome to the highest mountain the mountain with the highest peak, Mount Apo. Why is it called the mountain with the highest peak? Its peak is measured around 2,954 meters or 9,691 feet above sea level. So what do we expect to find in here in Mount Apo? So of course, hindi po mawawala dyan ang endangered species po natin na Philippine eagle, which is considered one of the world's largest eagles
Bakit agad?
spotted here in the Philippines. One of the things na mahanap nyo rin po dito is the waling-waling orchid or the queen of orchids in the Philippines. Of course, hindi rin po mawawala dyan ang durian, which is considered the king of fruits in the Philippines. So, another fun fact po sa Davao, sa Mount Apo, it is actually a dormant volcano. So may expect ka po na makahanap ka po ng mga hot springs. Ang mga hot springs po na po ito, pwede naman po mag-relax. Pero dahil mainit po paminsan hindi ko sure. Around 2,400 meters.